Today we explain from Boni book, Unit 8, Operations on Frictions, Lesson 1 and 2, Divide using Kتاب diagram. Look at with me about question here, letter A, 1/4 divided by 2. 1/4 divided by 2. How we can solve this example? First step, we must draw one tab. Draw one tab here and divide it 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts quality. And then we will divide each part 2 parts. We will divide each part here to 2 parts. 1, 2, 1, and 2. And then the value of each one will be 1 part here from 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the result will be 1/8. It was question letter A. Okay, draw one model and divide it 4 parts, and each part divide it 2 parts quality. The result will be 1/8. Question letter B. We have 2/5 divided by 3. How we can solve this example? First step, we will draw one model. Okay, we have 2/5 divided by 3. Draw one model and divided each of them 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know 2/5 divided by 3. We can write the least common multiplication between them. Write 2/5 here divided by 3 here, convert. The least common multiplication between 1 and 5, it will be 5. 1 times 5 equal 5, and 3 times 5 equal 15. Then we will draw 2 parts colored from 5 parts. And the result here about this example, it will be 2/15. Okay, 2/5 divided by 3. First step, write the least common multiplication between two denominators. It will be 5. 1 times 5 equal 5. 5 times 3 equal 15. And then write the number of colored in the dividend. It's reversed to dividend. And we will draw here new tab to the divisor. We called it the dividend. And 15/5 divisor. We want to find the quotient. To find the quotient, you must write how many parts colored here, 2. And we will draw typical this step diagram here and divide it 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have each part, we will divide it 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then we will draw all parts here. Then we will color here 15 parts. Then the dividend, draw one model and divided it 5 parts, colored 2 parts from 5. And then you can write here the least common multiplication between two numbers here, 3/1, and 2/5. Least common multiplication between them equal 5. Okay, write here 2/5, and 3 times 5 equal 15. 1 times 5 equal 5. Then draw tab again and divide it 5 parts, and each part divide it 3 parts quality. Then we have here 15 parts colored. 15 parts colored, and here 2 parts colored. We called it divisor. This tab colored here, the number of colored was 15 parts. Then we can find the quotient. The quotient equals the number of parts colored here, 2, over the number of parts colored in the divisor. It will be 15. This result will be 2/15. Okay, we can solve this example by another method. It's the first method. Okay, look at with me about second method, or you can solve this example by using one tab diagram. How? First step, draw one model. Okay, I will solve this example by another method. Okay, my students, pay attention with me about these steps. First step, I will draw one model divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And each part of 5 divided into 3 parts. Okay, each part here divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then how many parts here? 2 over 5 divided by 2 divided by 3. Count with me here. We have 2 parts here, colored 2 parts from the total. The total number was 50. So we have 2 over the total number. The result will be 2 over 50. Okay, you can solve this example by this method or this method. This method, again, we first step, draw one tab and divide it 5 parts. And each part of 5 colored from it 3 parts, colored or divide it 3 parts. And then you can color 2 parts only. Then 2 parts here. From how many parts? The total part here was 15. Is the number of colored 2 parts over 15 parts. Okay, it's the method. Second method. First method here, you can use this method or this method. First method, draw tab and divide it 5 parts and divided each 5 parts colored from it 2 parts. And then draw new tab. First step, find the least common multiples between two denominator 1 and 5. Least common multiples between them, it will be what? 5, because 5 can divide it by 1. Then 5 is the least common multiplication between them. Okay, and then you can simplest the result 2 over 15 here, where colored here. The result will be 2 over 15 because we will color here 15 parts from all parts here. Second step, we have 15 over 5. It's meaning draw tab and divide it 5 parts. Okay, and each part divided it 2, 3 because 5 multiplication by 3 equal 15. Okay, divided this step 5 parts, divided 5 parts, and each part divided to 3 because 3 times 5 equal 15. Then we colored here 15 parts. Then the quotient will be number of parts colored here 2 divided the number of parts colored here 15. We have 2 methods to solve the example. Understood? Okay, next example, question letter C. 3 over 4 divided by 4. 3 over 4 divided by 4. How we can solve this example? First step, we will draw one model and divided it 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, draw one model and divided it how many parts here? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will divide each part from 4 parts to 4 parts. Look at here, 3 over 4 divided by 4. The result will be what? 3 over 4 multiplication 1 over 4. The result will be 3 over 16. How? We will divide it here. Each part from 4 parts here, divide it to 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Okay, and then we must color 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Colored 3 parts. From how many parts here? 16. The result will be 3 over 16. Okay, or you can solve this example by find the least common multiplication between two numbers here. Right, 4 over 1. The least common multiplication between 4 and 1, it will be what? 4. Okay, and then we will put what? We will put here 3 over 4 divided by, right, 4 here, 4, because 1 times 4 equal 4, 4 times 4 equal 16. Then we will draw right here divisor and dividend. First put dividend, okay, dividend, and here divisor. Okay, my students, dividend, it says dividend 3 over 4, and divisor 16 over 4. Okay, Then we will draw here one model and divide it model for parts equality 1, 2, 3, and 4, and colored from it 3 parts. How many colored parts? 3 parts colored. Okay, number here verse 2, how many parts colored here? And 16 over 4, it's meaning draw typical tabdiagram and divide it 4 parts, and each part divide it 4 parts because 4 times 4 equals 16. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have 4 parts, 4, 4, 4. Then colored all parts here 16. Then the result will be, about this example, will be 3 over 16. This is a quotient. Okay, we have 2 methods to solve this example. Question letter D. 2 over 3 divided by 3. Look at with me here. 2 over 3 divided by 3. First step, I will draw one model and divide this model to 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 parts equality. We must draw by using ruler. Okay, 3 parts and divided each part to 3 parts. Each part here to 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we will color 2 parts from the total. Colored here 2 parts. Then how many parts colored? 2. From all parts here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the result will be 2 over 9. We have 9 parts. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3 equal 9. Then the result will be 2 over 9. Okay, it's a very easy method. You can solve this example by this method or draw here one model and colored from it 2 parts colored. It's the dividend. And what about divisor? We can write the least common multiplication between them. We have 1 here. Then we can write 2 over 3 divided by 3 equal 2 over 3 divided by, write the least common multiplication between them. It will be 3 because 3 can divide by 1. Then 3 is the least common multiples of 1. 3 times 1 equal 3 and 3 times 3 equal 9. And then here the divisor reverse to this model typical. Draw typical tabdiagram here. Okay, and then divided this model to 9 parts. How we know 3 times 3 equal 9. Then each part divided it to 3. Here 3 parts, and then we will color the 9 parts here. Then the number of parts colored here 2 parts. Number of parts colored here 9. Count 1, 2, write 2 over 9. It will be what? The quotient 2 over 9. It's exactly the result. Okay, so we have 2 methods to find the result about this example. Okay, question letter E. We have 3 divided by 2 over 3. The result will be what? First step, we can find the least common multiplication between denominator, or we will draw 3 models. Okay, draw 3 models. Typical. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, again divided it what? We have 3 models. 1, 2, 3, because we will divide the whole numbers by fraction. Draw 3 models and divided each one of them to 3 parts. Divided it to what? 3 parts. How many parts here? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then the value of each part here, it will be 1 over 3. We have 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, and so on. Okay, each part here raised to 1 over 3. And then we will count each 2 over 3. Count with me. 2 over 3, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, it will be 2 over 3. Then we will have 1. And 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, it will be 2 over 3. It's number 2. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, it will be 2 over 3. It's number 3. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, it will be 2 over 3. It's number 4. Then how many whole numbers here? 4. And how many part remainder? Remainder 1. From how many parts here? 2. Again, 3 divided by 2 over 3. First step, draw tab models, 3 tab models, and divided each model to 3 parts. Divided each models to 3 parts. Okay, and then we will color 2 parts from each one, or count each 2 over 3. It will be 1. Okay, all 2 over 3, it will be give me 1 whole numbers. Count with me. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, 2 over 3. Count with me. 2 over 3, it will be 1. 2 over 3, 2. 2 over 3, 3. 2 over 3, number 4. Then we have 4 whole numbers. And the remainder 1. The remainder 1 here, it's reversed to 1 over 3 from 2 over 3. The result will be 1 over 2. Again, in this example, first step, we must draw 3 models and divided each one of them to 3 parts, and count each 2 over 3, it will be 1. Give me 1. Because this example, 3 divided by 2 over 3, it's reversed to how many 2/3 in 3? How many 2/3 in 3? We can count 2 over 3, it will be 1. 2 over 3, it will be 1. 1, 1. Then we have 4, 2 over 3 from 3, and the remainder 1 from 2. 1 over 3 from 2 over 3, it will be 1 over 2. 1 here, remainder, it's the remainder from 2 parts, not 3 parts, okay? 1 part from 2 parts. Okay, you can solve this example. Okay, we know 3 product. To convert this example by 3, write reciprocal about this number, write 3, and reciprocal about 2 or 3, it will be 3 over 2. Okay, we know 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 divided by 2, write 2 in the numerator. 2 times 4 equal 8, and the remainder 1. Okay, it's algebra situation about this example. It's steps to find the result by using the methods or operation, convert from division to multiplication, and write the inverse about second fraction, and product numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator. The result will be 4.5. Okay, this example very important. To divide it by whole numbers and fraction, you must do these methods. And what about 4 divided by half? Question number letter F. Draw 4 models exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4 models, and divided each one of them, it will be 2 parts. Then the value of each one, it will be 1 over 2. We have half, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Count each one will be get me 1 whole numbers. Okay, 1. Count with me. 1 over 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how many halves in 4? It will be 8. How many halves in 4? It will be what? 8. How many halves in 4? It will be 8. We know 4 products, the reciprocal about 1 over 2, it will be 2. 4 times 2 equal 8. Then the result here, it will be 8. Next question. 3 divided by third. Who can tell me? 3 divided by third. First step, we will draw 3 models exactly. 1, 2, 3. And divided each one of them to 3 parts. Divided each part of them to 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then each part here will be 1 over 3. Each part 1 over 3, 1 over 3, to so on. Count with me. 1 over 3, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the result will be what? 9. It's a question letter G. Question letter H. 4 divided by 2 over 5. First step, we will draw 4 models exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And divided each part to 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we will count each 2 over 5. It will be 1. Okay, count with me. This part reverses to 1 over 5. 1 over 5, 1 over 5. Then we will count how many? 2. 2 parts, it will be give me 1. 2 parts, it will give me 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have what? 9 and 10. Again 4, we have the remainder what? Again 4 times 5 over 2, 4 times 5, 20, divided by 2 equal 10. Then we have here 10. 1 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, okay, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we have 10. Then 4 divided by 2 over 5, the result will be 1, it will be 10, okay, it's the result here, 10. Okay, understood? First step, draw 4 models and divided each one of them to 5 parts, and colored each 2 will give me 1 whole numbers. 4 divided by 2 over 5, it's meaning how many 2 fifths in 4? It will be 10. Or you can write 4 times 5 over 2, 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 2 times 5 equal 10. If the result about this example. Question letter I, 2 divided by 5 over 6. Here, in this example, first step, we will draw what? We will draw 2 models. 2 models, okay? 1 and 2. And divided each one of them to 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we will count each 5 will be get 1. Count each 5 part, give me 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's number 2. Remainder 2. The result will be 2. And the remainder 2 parts, it's the remainder. Over how many parts in each of them? In each seat. Each seat here contains of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided 2 by 5. The result will be 2 and 2 over 5. Again, draw 2 tab models and divided each one of them to 6 parts and count each 5 part, give me 1 whole numbers. Each 5 parts give me 1 whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the remainder 2. Okay, to find the result, 2 product by 6 over 5. 2 times 6 equal 12. 12 over 5, write 2 times 5 equal 10, and the remainder 2. You can use this method to be sure the result. Okay, understood? 2 and 2 over 5. It's the result by using tab diagram. Next question. 1 over 3 divided by 5 or 6. Okay, this example, to find the result, you must find the least common multiples of 2 denominator. The least common multiplication or multiples between 2 denominator here about letter G. 1 over 3 divided by 5 or 6. The least common multiplication or multiples between 2 numbers, it will be 6. Then 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. And here 5 over 6. First step, we can write here the dividend. And here divisor. Okay. The dividend was, let's see the dividend, 2 over 6. And the divisor, 5 over 6. Okay. And then we will draw one model here and exactly this tab model down. And then divided this model to 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then colored from the dividend 2 parts from 6 parts. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, then the quotient will be what? Number of parts colored in the dividend 2 over the number of parts colored from the divisor was 5. We colored here 5 parts from 6 parts, and the result will be 2 over 5. It's the result about this example. It's very important to know these tips, okay? Next question. Question letter K. We have 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. Who can tell me? First step, we will draw right here 5 over 6 divided by the least common multiplication between 3 and 6, it will be 6. We will draw two tab models, okay, such that last question. But first step here, you must write the least common multiplication between two numbers. It will be 6, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 1 equals 2. Then we can write here dividend and here divisor. The dividend here will be 5 over 6 and the divisor 2 over 6. Then we will draw here one model and here one model typical it to tab diagram and divide each one of them to 6 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and colored from the first 5 parts 1 2 3 4 5 parts colored and here 2 parts colored from this number. Then the quotient will be the number of parts here in the dividend. How many parts colored? 5 over how many parts colored here? 2. Then the result will be 5 over 2. But 5 over 2 we called it improper. You must convert from improper to mixed number. Write 2 in numerator and 5 divided by 2 equal 2 and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 2.5. Okay, you can pay attention about these steps to know your result exactly or not. First step, we can write 5 over 6 and convert from division to multiplication and write reciprocal about this number, reciprocal about 1 over 3, this example, okay? Write the inverse about 1 over 3 here, it will be 3 over 1, okay? Reciprocal about this number, it will be 3 over 1, and then you can simplify it. 3 divided by 3 equal 1 and 6 divided by 3 equal 2 and 1 times 5 equal 5, 1 times 2 equal 2. 5 over 2, it's improper. You must convert from improper to mixed number. 5 divided by 2 equal 2 and the remainder 1. It's exactly the result. Okay, understood. Next question. Letter I. Half divided by 3 over 4. It's exactly. We must find the least common multiples of two denominator here. About question letter I. 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. We know the least common multiplication between them, it will be 4 because 4 can divide by 2. Write 4 here and 4 and 3. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 1 equal 2. Then we can write here the dividend and here divisor and here the quotient. The dividend 2 over 4, the divisor 3 over 4. Then we will draw two diagram typical and divided each one of them 4 parts. Exactly, okay, exactly. And then we must draw from the first here 2 parts and here draw 3 parts, 1 2 3. Then the quotient will be how many parts colored here? 2. How many parts colored here in the divisor? 3. Then the result will be what? 2 over 3. Okay? Understood? To pay attention about steps first, write half and multiplication, reciprocal about 3 over 4 be 4 over 3. And then you can simplify 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 1 times 2 equal 2, and 1 times 3 equal 3. Then the result exactly 2 over 3 about your solution. Okay? Next question, letter M. Here, it's the last question about diagram, okay? 3 over 4 divided by 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. First step, we can write the least common multiplication between two denominator. Write 3 over 4 divided by 4 because the least common multiplication between them 4. 4 can divide by 2. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 1 equal 2. Okay? And then we can write here dividend. And here divisor. And here the quotient. The dividend here 3 over 4. And the divisor it will be 2 over 4. And we need to find the quotient number of parts colored here over number of parts colored here. Okay, we have here 2 tab congruent and divided each one of them to 4 parts. 1, 2, Okay, typical. Okay, typical. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. Colored 3 parts and colored here 2 parts. Then the number of parts colored here 3, and number of colored parts here 2, and 3 over 2 you can sample it. This number 3 over 2 convert, right, 2 3 divided by 2 equal 1, and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 1.5. It's the question. Okay, to pay attention about the result, you can write here 3 over 4 and convert from division to multiplication. Write the inverse about 1 over 2, it will be 2 over 1. And then you can sample it. 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 1 times 3 equal 3, 1 times 2 equal 2, 3 over 2, write 2 in the numerator, and 3 divided by 2 equal and 1, and the remainder 1. It's the result about this example. To pay attention about steps. Now I finished all examples about tab diagram. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. The tab diagram represents the division process. Half divided by 2. We know half divided by 2 equal fourth. Then the result will be fourth, where we will draw here the least common multiplication between 1 and 2. It will be 2. Then we will draw 2 tab diagram and divide each one of them 2 parts equality, and count here divided by 2. The result will be 1 over 4. Where 1 over 4 here? About 2 parts only? No. Choose what about this example. We have 2 tab diagram and he colored all parts. We know 1 over 2 divided by 2, it will be 1 over 4. Choose here last one. Okay, choose this result. 1 over 2 divided by 2. Draw here one model and divided, it will be half, and each part divide it 2 parts. Okay, and then we will be 1 colored part from 4 parts. Okay, he will draw here another method. Here, draw half from 1 part from 2 parts, 1 part from 2 parts, and the number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, number of the total. Then each one of them it will be 1 over 4. Okay, choose last one. It's the result here 1 over 4. Or you can write 1 over 2 multiplication by the inverse about this number 1 over 2. 1 times 1 equal 1, 2 times 2 4. In the result we must choose last one here. Okay, choose this result. What about third divided by 4? Third divided by 4, to solve this example we know 1 over 3 divided by 4, right? 1 over 3 multiplication about this inverse here 1 over 4. 1 times 1 equal 1, 3 times 4 equal 12, 3 times 4 equal 12. Then we will draw here 1 from 12 parts, 3 parts and 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. Then watch each one of them, it will be what? It will be fourth. Again third, it's meaning third divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 3 parts, and here again 4 parts. 1 over 3, repeat it 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4 parts. Okay, again draw 1 part colored from 3 parts, 1 part from 3 parts, and repeat it 4 parts. Revert these models 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will choose what? How many parts here like this? We have the result will be 1 over 12. All colored here from the result, and each here the result will be 1 part. This 1 part from total number. Then you must choose second one. What about this example? The tab diagram represents 5 divided by third. 5 divided by third, it's meaning divided by whole numbers and the fraction. First step, you must draw 5 models. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 models, okay? And divide each one of them to 3 parts. To 3 parts. Okay, and then we will color here 1 part from the total colored number. Total number colored was 15. Then the result will be 1 over 15. Then you must choose letter C. Choose this. Choose this result. Okay, this example here about my mouse here here. Choose this. Question letter D. The tab diagram which represent 2 divided by 2 or 3, then we will draw 2 parts, 2 models here, and divided each one of them to 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts, and colored of all. All of numbers here, it will be 6, and the result here, count with me about this result. 2 product by the inverse about this number. The result will be what? How many card color? 2 divided, count with me, each will be 1 over 3, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, it will be 2 and 3. Then the result will be 6 divided by 3 equal 6 divided by, it will be what, right? 2 product by 3 over 2, cancel 2 by 2, the result will be 3, or 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Again, in this example, again, first step, we will draw how many models? 2 models. Okay, I will solve it again to know the steps. What about this example? How we solve this example? First step, we will draw how many parts here? 2 models, and divided each one of them to 3 parts. Okay, and 2 over 3, how many here? It will be 1, because it was third and third and third and third and third and third. 2 third, it will be 1. Count with me, 2, 3. Then the result will be what? 3. Then the result will be 3. Then we have 2 models and the colored all parts of it. Then you must choose number 3. Choose what? We have the result will be 3. No, don't choose this. We have the result will be what? How many the result? 3. We have 2 models and the color of them divided each one to 3 parts. Okay, choose this number 3. Okay, this result here exactly. Question number 2. This example refers to what? We have 3 parts colored. It was letter how now we will solve what? Letter E. Okay, letter E. Okay, letter F. Now we will solve letter F. Letter F, he give us how many tab diagram here? We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 parts quality, and each one divided to this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts of each one of them. 4 parts and 4 parts. We have 4 and 4 and 4. And the number of them, it will be 12. Is the total number. He asked about this example. How many parts here colored? How? We have how many parts colored here? 8 colored from the total 12. 8 over 12, it will be what? 8 divided by 4 equal 2. 8 divided by 2 equal 4, or we can divide it by 4. 8 divided by 4 equal 2, 12 divided by 4 equal 3. Then we have 2 over 3, it's the result. 2 over 3. Where 2 over 3, we have 2 thirds colored, and each part of them, it will be 4. Okay, choose the result here. 2 over 3 divided by 4. Why? Because he colored how many parts? He divided here 3 parts. Okay, and colored the 2 parts. Each one of them divided 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the result will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 divided by 4 parts. Each one divided to 4 parts. Okay, choose the letter F here. About here, choose this result. 2 over 3 divided by 4. Question G. We have this example. Colored about 3 tab diagrams. 3 tab diagrams here colored, and he divided each one of them to 3 parts. We have the total number here. The result will be 6. 3 divided by third, or 9 parts. 3, 1, 2, 3, and he colored here 3 divided by third. The result will be 3 times 3. It will be 9. Then he colored the 9 parts. Then the result 3 divided by third. This is the result. 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. and we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we can write 3 divided by third, 3 divided by third, 3 divided by third. Okay, it's last question. Next example, you can solve it yourself, okay?